This is M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about boat and stream. This topic belongs to time, distance and speed. One of the subtopic in time, distance and speed. This topic concept, the relation between time, distance and speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. This topic calculate only speed term, either speed of a downstream or speed of a upstream. Here time, distance or constant values calculate only downstream or upstream. The type of questions belongs to boat and stream topic. In next part definition, what is downstream, what is upstream. In water, the direction along the stream is called downstream, against the stream is called upstream. Otherwise, suppose consider two stations A and B, station A and station B. A to B is called downstream and B to A is called upstream. Upstream indicates return comeback indicates down upstream condition. In general, water and boat are moving same direction is called downstream. Opposite direction is called upstream. Next, if the speed of a boat in still water is x km per hour and speed of a stream is y km per hour, then speed of a downstream x plus y and speed of a upstream x minus y, where x is called boat speed, y is called stream speed. Next, if the speed of a downstream is a km per hour and speed of a upstream is b km per hour, then speed of a boat a plus b by 2 and speed of a stream or rate of current a minus b by 2. This is a topic depending only for unknown terms. If you know the relation between these four terms perfectly, then this topic completed. Here first term downstream, second upstream, third boat, fourth stream. The relation between a comma b comma x comma y. Is second point here boat speed of a boat and speed of a stream. These two values are given. Then find the speed of a downstream x plus y and speed of a upstream x minus y. Just plus or minus indications, plus and minus. Next, suppose speed of a downstream and speed of a upstream. These two terms are given. Then speed of a boat and speed of a stream a plus b by 2, a minus b by 2. Next part, examples. Sample examples in boat and stream topic. Here first statement, in 1 hour, a boat goes 11 km per hour along the stream and 5 km per hour against the stream. The speed of the boat in still water is dash. We know that if the speed of a boat in still water a plus b by 2, speed of a boat in still water a plus b by 2, where a is called speed of a downstream and b is called speed of a upstream. A speed of a upstream along the stream is called downstream, against the stream is called upstream. Indirectly statements are given. Here a is equal to 11 and b is equal to 5. Here problem is a plus b by 2, where a is equal to 5, a is equal to 11, b 5. Then 16 by 2 is equal to 80 km per hour. Option C only correct. First example, option C. Second example, a boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water if the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour. Find the time the boat to go 68 kilometers downstream. Here underline time. Time is equal to distance by speed. This is the general formula. The relation between time, distance and speed. Distance by speed. Above problem statement. A distance 68 kilometers downstream where distance is 68 kilometers. That is distance 68 kilometers. Here clue downstream. Your speed, if the problem is belongs to boat and stream, your speed calculate only either speed of a downstream or speed of a upstream. Here include downstream, then calculate only speed of a downstream. The speed of a downstream is x plus y, where x is called speed of a boat and y is called speed of a stream. First statement, speed of a boat to 13 km per hour, where x is 13 km per hour. And y is speed of a stream 4 km per hour, then speed of a downstream x plus y, x 13 plus 4, 17, 68 by 17, 4 hours, therefore time is 4, option C only correct. Here important once again, just you read the problem. Here changing value only speed. Speed either x plus y or x minus y. X plus y, that is downstream indication. X minus y upstream indication. You read the problem. Just you apply the condition. Here 68 kilometers downstream. That condition clearly given. Then speed of a stream and speed of a boat x plus y. Suppose 68 kilometers downstream, upstream, the type of conditions are not given. If the type of conditions are not given, then answer none of this. That cannot be possible because here either downstream or upstream, that application only exists. Otherwise, cannot possible. The type of questions are given cannot be determined. Only correct answer. Okay, right. Next, third example. Important. In boat and stream topic, important only third example. This model very important to competitive exams. A boat running upstream takes 8 hours 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance while running downstream. Here problem is the ratio between speed of a boat and speed of a stream. That is x is to y. X is called speed of a boat, y speed of a stream. Just to calculate only x is to y or x by y. The ratio means equality. It can be written as a is to b or a by b. Both terms indicate a ratio and calculate x by y or x is to y. Here clue, this problem clue, same distance. Here underline same distance. Same distance is nothing but distance is a constant. When distance is a constant, the relation between speed and time S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Where S1 is called speed of a downstream, T1 is called downstream time, S2 speed of a upstream, and T2 upstream time. Here upstream time. Here S1 indicate downstream speed x plus y. Where speed of a boat, let speed of a boat consider x kilometer per hour and speed of a stream y kilometer per hour. Then speed of a downstream, is equal to x plus y. And speed of a upstream x minus y, where S1 indicate downstream and T1 indicate downstream time, S2 upstream, T2 upstream time. You now substitute S1 T1, S2 T2. where S1 downstream, that is S1 is equal to x plus y, S2 is equal to x minus y. Where T1 consider only downstream time only 4 hours. If T1 means 4 hours. S2 x minus y, where T2 8 hours 48 minutes, minute convert into a hour divisible by 60. That complete statement convert into a either hour and point or minute and point. A downstream is hour and point given, then upstream also convert into a hour and point. A 8 hours 48 minutes, minute convert into a hour divisible by 60. Hour convert into a minute multiplied by 60. Conversion also important. A next 12 into 4, 12 into 5. This bracket value is 44 by 5. A next part simplification, x plus y by x minus y is equal to 44 by 5 divisible by 1 by 4 is equal to 11 by 5. Here next cross multiplication, 5 into x plus 5 into y is equal to 11 into x minus 11 into y. Here next 16y is equal to 6x, x by y is equal to 16 by 6 is equal to 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is nothing but 8:3, option C only correct. This model again important to competitive exams. Lengthy example, but answer is very simple. This problem clue, same distance. Same distance is nothing but distance is always constant. The relation between speed and time. Just consider only that equation. Using that equation, calculate x is to y or x by y, where x is speed of a boat, y is speed of a stream. Speed of a boat and speed of a stream, that is 8:3, option D only, option C only correct. Here important, here complete problem. If the problem is belongs to time, distance and speed, all the statements are convert into a same units. Either convert into a hour and point, or convert into a minute and point, or convert into a second and point. This is about time. And speed condition, all the statements are convert into a either kilometer per hour or meter per second. A distance condition, either convert into a kilometers or convert into a meter. This is about conversion, time, distance and speed. This is also important to time, distance and speed concept. Okay. A next third example. Next third completed 8:3. A next fourth example. A motorboat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water goes 30 kilometers downstream and come back in a total of 4 hours 30 minutes. The speed of the stream in kilometer per hour. Next underline come back indicate upstream, return indicate upstream. Suppose A to B, A to B consider A to B, station A, station B. A to B is called downstream and B to A. Return and come back indicate upstream. Here downstream time plus upstream time is 4 hours 30 minutes. The A to B time plus B to A time. Here A to B time plus B to A time is equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes. Total time given, where T1 downstream time or AB time and T2 upstream time or B to A time. But time is equal to distance by speed. A distance constant 30 kilometers downstream and upstream. The distance A to B distance is equal to B to A distance, that is the 30 kilometers constant. Just consider only denominator, only speed condition. Where A to B is called downstream speed. Suppose here this example, speed of a stream not given. Let speed of a stream is equal to x kilometer per hour. The term not given, calculate that term only. Here next speed of a downstream x plus y, where x is equal to 15, y is equal to x, 15 plus x. And speed of a upstream x minus y, 15 minus y. This is only important to fourth example. Here first calculate speed of a downstream and speed of a upstream by using formula x plus y, x minus y. Here y term not given, calculate only y term, that is speed of a upstream. Here next part, T1 plus T2 total time is 4 hours 30 minutes, where T1 is called distance. Distance means 30, that is constant, and speed of a downstream x plus y, that is called 15 plus x. And speed of a upstream same distance, but speed 15 minus x is equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. Minute convert into a hour divisible by 60, because speed kilometer per hour, a distance 30 kilometers, then time convert into a hour and point, then minute convert into a hour divisible by 60. Here next part simplification only. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, then a square minus b square, 15 square minus x square. Here next numerator 30 is common. Here 15 minus x plus 15 plus x is equal to 30 into 1, 30 into 2 is equal to 9 by 2. In next simplification, x term cancel. The numerator is equal to 900 divisible by 225. 225 minus x square is equal to 9 by 2. The 9 into 1, 9 into 100. Then x square is equal to 25. Then x is plus or minus 25, plus or minus 5. But speed is always positive. Negative does not exist. Consider only positive, that is only 5. Therefore, speed of a stream is 5 km per hour. Be only correct. Here important. Here total comeback or return means upstream. Here total time means T1 plus T2, where T1 means downstream time and T2 means upstream time. If the problem belongs to total, that is T1 plus T2. Suppose if the problem belongs to less, indicate less means a difference, that is T2 minus T1. Total indicate T1 plus T2 and less indicate T2 minus T1. These two only important to boat and stream topic. Okay? Right. Next, fifth example. A fifth example, a boat 90 minutes less to travel. Less indicate, less means negative operator, less means difference. Note, less indicate difference, that is T2 minus T1. That statement clearly given, T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 90 minutes. That is called first statement. Here next 36 kilometers downstream, then to travel the same distance. Yet same distance means, suppose consider A to B, station A, station B. A distance 36 kilometers. A to B is called downstream, B to A is called upstream. Equal distance, that is 36. Downstream distance is equal to upstream distance. The next speed of a boat is 10 km per hour. Find the speed of a stream. The same method, let speed of a stream is x km per hour. Then speed of a downstream, x plus y, where x is 10, and speed of a upstream x minus y, 10 minus x. A 10 plus x, 10 minus x, where x is called a speed of a stream. Y is speed of a boat, that is clearly given. The term is 10 km per hour. Next, by using first statement, less indicate difference. Difference means positive operator, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to 90 minutes. Minute convert into hour divisible by 60, because speed kilometer per hour and time also convert into hour and point, minute convert into hour divisible by 60. T2 indicate upstream time, T1 only downstream time, but distance constant, where distance is 36 kilometers, but speed of a upstream 10 minus x, speed of a upstream 10 minus x. And T1 same distance 36, but distance 10, speed 10 plus x is equal to 90 by 60. 90 by 60 is equal to 3 by 2. 30 into 3, 30 into 2. 30 into 3, 30 into 2. Next same denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 10 square minus x square. The numerator 36 is common. Numerator 10 plus x minus 10 plus x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, here 10 term cancel. Next part 3 into 1, 3 into 12. Here next, a 24x into 2 is equal to 100 minus x square. Here next, x square minus 48 x plus 100 is equal to 0. Next, this is also written as a 50x, 50x minus 2x plus 100 is equal to 0. Here x is common, x plus 50 minus 2 is common, x plus 50. Here next, x plus 50 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to either minus 50 comma plus 2. But speed is always positive, plus 2 only correct, option A only correct. Here important only, notation only important, total indicate T1 plus T2, less indicate T2 minus T1. Less indicated T2 minus T1. These two only important boat and stream topic. Okay. Next, sixth example. Sixth example. The sixth example, a man can row at 5 km per hour in still water. Man means called object. Consider speed of a boat. Speed of a boat, speed of a object, both are same meaning. Here man speed is nothing but boat speed. That is 5 km per hour. X is equal to 5 km per hour. Next, if the speed of the current is 1 km per hour, speed of a current or speed of a stream, both are same meaning. That is y. Y is 1 km per hour. Speed of a boat and speed of a stream. A flowing water is called speed of a stream or rate of current. And it takes him 1 hour to row to a place, row to a place and come back. How far is the place? And you find out only distance. But come back indicate upstream. Here underline come back indicate upstream. To row to a place. To row to a place means A to B and B to A. A to B, B to A. The total time is 1 hour. Next, find out only distance between A and B. Here calculate only distance. The next total time is 1 hour. That is T1 plus T2. A T1 plus T2 is equal to 1 hour. Suppose A to B, to row to a place and come back. Come back is called B to A. The A to B plus B to A is 1 hour. That is only total time duration. Here next, find the speed of a downstream. A speed of a downstream is equal to x plus y, where x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6 km per hour. And speed of a upstream is equal to x minus y, where x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4 km per hour. Here speed of a downstream and speed of a upstream 6 and 4 respectively. Here next time is distance by speed. A distance, find distance only, and denominator speed of a downstream 6. Again same distance d. Speed of a upstream 4 is equal to 1 hour. Don't convert into a minute and point because a speed is kilometer per hour. Time consider only hour and point. That is only hour. A next 6, 4 LCM only 24. The numerator 4d plus 6d. A 4d plus 6d by 24 is equal to 1. The next 10d by 24 is equal to 1. D is equal to 24 by 10 is 2.4 kilometers. Option A only correct. Here again check the options. Units also important. Sometimes 2.4 meters. That option is not correct. 2.4 kilometers only correct because a distance, a speed kilometer per hour, time 1 hour. The distance always consider only in terms of kilometers only. Then answer is option A only correct. Okay, right. Here once again, here important note, rate of current means speed of a stream. A man speed is nothing but boat speed. Objects are considered only boat speed, that is always denoted by x, and speed of a stream is called y. Then downstream x plus y and upstream x minus y. X plus y, x minus y. This example speed conditions are clearly given. Just calculate only distance. But above information, same distance, the term given, same distance is nothing but downstream distance is equal to upstream distance. That method also correct. Suppose a distance is constant, downstream distance is equal to upstream distance. A distance is constant, S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. In that equation, find out only T1, where total time T1 plus T2 is equal to 1 hour, but not T1 is equal to 1, but not T2 is equal to 1. Total time is 1 hour, and T1 plus T2 is equal to 1 hour. In next, x plus y into T1 is equal to x minus y into T2. In that equation, find out T1 or T2. Therefore, distance is equal to S1 into T1 or S2 into T2. That method is also correct. You can apply any one method. When distance is constant, the relation between S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Otherwise, next, a total time is given. Total time indicated T1 plus T2 is equal to 1 hour, where T1 is called downstream time and T2 is called upstream time. Downstream time plus upstream time is equal to 1 hour. In that equation, calculate only D. D is 2.4 kilometers, that is constant. A downstream distance is equal to upstream distance is equal to 2.4 kilometers. Therefore, answer is option A. Okay, sixth example. Next, seventh example. Seventh example. A boat takes 19 hours for traveling downstream from point A to point B and coming back to point C. Again, underline coming back. This is a topic depending only two terms, downstream and upstream. Where C is midway between A and B, exact middle. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, 4 km per hour, and speed of a boat is 14 km per hour, what is the distance between A and B? Find distance only A and B. Here, first statement, a boat takes 19 hours for traveling downstream from point A to point B and coming back to point C by using diagram. Suppose consider A to B. This is called is equal to station A and station B. Here A to B is called downstream. Consider T1, and B to C consider only T2. T2 is called to upstream. A total time is A to B plus B to C. The total time is 19 hours. That is T1 plus T2 is equal to 19. This is very, very important. Where C is exactly between A and B. And midway means exactly middle. Here suppose consider let A to B distance is equal to x. Then A to C is equal to x by 2 and B to C is equal to x by 2 because middle. The A to B distance is x kilometer per hour, then A to C x by 2 and B to C x by 2. Where A to B is called downstream distance, but B to C cover only upstream distance, but not B to A. The B to C cover only upstream distance. A total time given, total downstream time and upstream time is 19 hours. Then T1 indicated downstream time, distance by speed. Next, calculate downstream speed. A speed of a downstream is equal to x plus y, where x is equal to 14, y is equal to 4 is 18 km per hour. The terms clearly given. Speed of a boat and speed of a stream, where speed of a boat is 14 km per hour and speed of a stream is 4 km per hour. Therefore, speed of a downstream x plus y, 14 plus 4 is 18 km per hour. And speed of a upstream is x minus y, where x is 14, y 4, 14 minus 4, 10 km per hour. Speed of a downstream, speed of a upstream, 18, 10 respectively. Next equation, a total time is 19 hours, T1 plus T2, where time indicate distance by speed. Here calculate only distance, where T1 means A to B distance and speed downstream time 18 kilometer per hour. But T2 covers only B2C distance, speed 10 kilometer per hour is 19 hours. Here RHS don't convert into a seconds or minutes because speed kilometer per hour, time also consider only hour and point. Here next AB distance is x kilometers divisible by 80, but B2C distance only x by 2 not x by 10 is equal to 19. Here next x by 18 plus x by 20 is equal to 19. Here next LCM is 180. The numerator 10x plus 9x by 180 is equal to 19. The next 19x by 180 is equal to 19. 19 cancel, x is equal to 180 kilometers. Option A only correct. X is nothing but the distance between A and B is 180 kilometers. Suppose find the distance between B and C. A B and C distance only 180 by 2 only 90 kilometers. Upstream distance is 90 kilometers, but downstream distance 180 kilometers. Your question is belongs to only downstream distance, that is only 180. Option A only correct. Okay, this is also important to competitive exams, especially important to placements. Now we can expect these models only important to placements. Okay, yes, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.